Welcome to break 577 for the 2017 TriStar Hidden Treasures autographed mini helmet. Appreciate everyone getting it. First thing we're going to do is refresh the date and time according to eBay. This is a live break. It's currently Friday, March 16, 2018. It's 12:20 a.m. Eastern Time, and it is 9:10 p.m. Pacific Time. Alright, next thing we're going to do is read off the eBay usernames and how many spots each one you guys have. To Turk, you have 6, BJ Moose 1, 518 Ranger 1, LSCHS 2, Silent Stuff 3, J John with 11, OLB 2, Solo P1 4, and Big Tris 42 with 2 spots. Alright guys, I'm going to copy the list here. Been pasting and ram.org. We're going to randomize 5 times, and then that will determine what team you have for the break. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, last time. J John, you're on top, and Solo, you're on the bottom. Alright, column B. Okay. So J John, you have the Cardinals Falcons, LS Ravens, J John Bills, BJ Panthers, Selling Bears, Big Tris Bengals, Turek Browns, J John Cowboys, 518 Ranger Broncos, Big Tris Lions, Turek Packers, Selling Stuff Texans, OLB Colts, J John Jags, LSS Chiefs, Turek Rams, Solo Dolphins, Turek Vikings, J John Patriots, OLB Saints, J John Giants Jets, Solo Raiders, J John Eagles, Selling Stuff Steelers, J John Chargers, Turek Niners, Solo Seahawks, Turek Bucks, J John Titans, and Solo with the Washington Redskins. Alright, so I'll go through this list one more time. You guys can double check. Alright. And here we go. Good luck. Alright, let's see who we have today. Hey, it's a nice one. Very nice. It's a Roger. Let me pull it out. Empty box. It's a Roger Worley, 7-time Pro Bowl, 5-time First Team All-Pro, 71 Second Team All-Pro, 7-time NFC Selection, All-Decade Team, 40 career picks, College Football Fame, and Pro Football Fame, 2007. Roger Worley. Check that out. For the Cardinals. Beautiful signature. Inscribed Hall of Fame, 07. Alright. Let's see who's the Cardinals. It's going to go to J John DU DCIMQGS0, man. Congratulations, John. You got yourself a Roger Worley autographed mini helmet. Alright, guys, stick around. I'm gonna give off the basically the free spot for their new randomized series I'm doing, or giveaway series. So basically, I'm giving away a spot every break, and then once I get like 32 spots, I'm gonna give away a mini helmet or a baseball or something. I haven't decided yet, but here we go. After 5 times, whoever's on top gets the free spot. So 3 times, 4. Last time, 5 times. So J John, you got yourself a free spot into the bonus as well, man. Congratulations there. So sweet, man. Alright guys, if you're new to the breaks, be sure to check out my other listings, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on eBay if you can to get updated. Hope to see you guys in future breaks. Thank you. Have a great day. Have a great night.